Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini with tracking and remote mobilisation. So what we're having now is customers are worried about, someone trying to steal their vehicle, not be able to obviously start the vehicle and take it away. So they're demanding the keys at the door and the PIN. Because of that, we fitted a pin to drive system with remote immobilisation. So how it actually works, if someone wants to demand the keys and the code, give them the code, let them drive the vehicle away. When you know the vehicle stopped or is far enough away, just send it a remote command. As soon as they turn the vehicle off, they won't be able to start it. Just look on the tracker and go and retrieve it. So you don't have to worry about, the fear of them attacking you. Just give them the vehicle. So how it works is at the moment, let's just see if the system is armed. Let's just open the door. There you go, we've got our double flash, system is armed. So how it normally works, start the vehicle up, put it in gear, vehicle cuts out, okay? So every time you jump in the vehicle, start the vehicle up, insert your code, get your flash, there you go, select the key and drive away. So as I said, say for example, they're demanding the keys, you give them the car, okay, you give them the PIN code, so they've driven away, code in, and they've gone, yeah? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let it arm, okay? System is armed. But this time we're going to go into the tracker and we're going to send it a command. So if we go down to function, set, scroll down, cut off fuel, insert the code, which we're going to change. Let's just send the command. There you go, successfully sent. So within a given time, if you watch carefully, if it responds quickly, this is going to go red. But this time, obviously, they've now turned off the car. You know where the vehicle is. They think they're going to go and drive it away. Start the vehicle up. Try and put the code in. It just won't accept the code, okay? So we've just done remote immobilisation, which means you just go back and recover your vehicle, okay? When you get the vehicle back, all you then do, if you look at the tracker now, it's actually gone red. And you see it's cut off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to send it a command again. So we're going to go to function, set, down to control fuel, recover, put our code in, send the command. There you go, it's gone successfully. So let's just shrink it again. Eventually this will go out. Obviously once it spins around, it'll be recovered. So we then come back, we've got the spare key, we just jump in, start the vehicle up. There you go, our push sequence is now recovered and we can drive the vehicle back safely. As I said, this is the Halo Mini with remote immobilisation. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.